People always say healthy kale doesn't taste good, and the tasty version on that healthy, this recipe is your best solution. Right now, kale is on sale, 150 gram for just 39 pence. We are using half of that for today's dish. First, take about 200 grams of mushrooms. Remove the stems and slice them up. Crack 2 eggs and beat them well. Heat a pan over medium heat. Add 1 teaspoon of olive oil for some polyphenols and vitamin E. Now add protein number 1, 100 grams of beef mince. Stir fry it until it's about half cooked. Then add in the sliced mushrooms. They give you fiber and beneficial polysaccharides. Don't worry if the pan looks dry. The mushrooms will release their own moisture. Season with salt and black pepper. And cook everything until done. Then turn heat up to medium-high. Add the kale. Stir fry for about 1 minute. Kale is packed with vitamin A, C, and K1, plus calcium, magnesium, and folate. After 1 minute, you'll see the kale go from dull to glossy. That's when the flavor really comes out. Pour in protein number 2, the beaten eggs. Cover the pan. Now lower the heat, let it gently cook for about 3 minutes. Then plate it up. This is the tastiest way I've found to keep kale healthy and delicious. Give it a try. Thanks for cooking with me. Like and subscribe to Bae's Kitchen. See you next time.